In this video, we will learn how to start XAMPP at Windows Startup. For this, go to search bar, right click on XAMPP control panel, run as administrator. Do you want to load this app from an unknown producer to make changes to your device? Click yes. Now you see Apache MySQL. There is a cross sign in front of them. Click on Apache cross. Click yes to install the Apache service. Yes. Now click on MySQL in front cross. Click yes to install MySQL service. Yes. Now start Apache server. Now start MySQL server. That's all. Now next time when you start your laptop or computer, your XAMPP will automatically started. That's all in this video, guys.